let me show you how you can use Add Me in camera on Google Pixel 10 Pro. So once you open the camera in photo over here, you should be able to switch to Add Me mode. And over here we have our guide. So the phone will definitely help us take the photo, well, combine two photos at once. So you should be able to use these instructions in order to properly use the Add Me feature. Essentially, first, let's say you are the photographer of the group photo. So you want to simply take a photo of your group and you want to tell them to leave some space for yourself. Because once you take the first photo, then someone from that group should take the camera and they should take a photo of you and only just you. So the rest of the group, they should not be included in the photo, only just you and in that specific space where the group left for you. So then the camera can actually combine these two photos together and you as the photographer can be included in the group photo. And that is pretty much it. If needed, you can tap on this question mark over here in the top right corner in order to find more about this feature. Over here we have more info and we can press try it out in order to, of course, to use this Add Me mode in the camera. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.